Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We have Shaboozey, you know about that guy, a great artist, and Leon Bridges, great combo. So, they do Burn It Down. Before we move on with this tutorial, I need your help, guys. I have a new channel, it's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 strings ago, link up here. Go and subscribe to that channel. That is the best way to thank me for all the work I'm doing for you guys. And if you do that, if you want to have your own song, we have this thing called Wish Wednesday. A better chance to get your song on these Wednesdays, your wish songs, is actually to go and subscribe and mention that in the comments together with the song you want to learn. That will bump up your chances to get your song on Wednesday. So yes, a good motivation to support me. Thank you for everything you do. So now let's go into the song. No need for any capo here. Okay, we have a couple chords to go over. Very simple and easy to handle as well. So let's start with A minor first. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have G next. Third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. D. Open D, second G, third B, and second E. And finally we have the C. That goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We're gonna handle this with a 4 down strumming, so like that. I like to emphasize the third down in the way that I'm playing on the bass strings. For all the downs except from that third down where I go down on the higher strings. So gives us that rhythm. Yep, let's go into the first verse. We have A minor, 3 string rounds, G1, and D4. Goes like this. I'm gonna play that for 4 full rounds. I play 2, you double up, and that is the first verse. Then you're gonna hit the pre-chorus, hand on your heart. That's about 51 seconds into the song. You're gonna play G2, D2, and A minor 4. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds. So G2, D2, A minor, 3, 4, and the second round. That is the pre-chorus. Now into the first chorus at 1 minute and 7 seconds in. You're gonna play 2 rounds of this. The first round is to play G2, D2, and A minor 4. Okay, exactly the same as in the pre-chorus. And the second round is to play G2, D2, A minor 2, and C2. So I'm gonna play this for you. The full chorus goes like this. Okay, so that is the first round, and that is Shaboozey's round. It has an instrumental part where he goes like verse play for 2 rounds, and then it turns into Leon Bridges' time to shine, alright? So he starts the second verse, and you're going to play that exactly the same way as the first one. So A minor 3, G1, and D4. You're going to play that for 4 rounds. Then comes the pre-chorus, again, exactly the same, so no changes there. And then comes the second chorus, and that second chorus, you're going to play the G2, D2, and A minor 4 for the first round. The second round, you're going to play G2, D2, and A minor, just 2 and with a pause. Then after that pause comes the bridge part, all right? So that is the second chorus. We're going to land now into the bridge part, and what you're going to play there is G2, D2, A minor 4. You're going to play for 2 rounds. That's it. Then we're going to jump back into this actually third pre-chorus, and you can play that in the exact same way as the previous pre-choruses. No changes there. G2, D2, A minor 4. And then we're going to finish off the last course. It will be technically the third one. So you're going to play that exactly in the same way as the first. You have that G2, D2, A minor 4. And then you had the second round, you're going to play G2, D2, A minor 2. And you're just going to land on one down on that beautiful C. And that's the end of the guys. So, great collab. Leon, Shaboozey, burn it down. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for all the support. Love you. Until next time, play tuned.